Let us solve question number 2, practice set number 2.1, question number 2. Question is, decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Means we have to decide out of this given quadratic equations which is quadratic equation or which is not quadratic equation. Okay. So for that purpose we have seen that we have to compare the given equation with the generalized form of the quadratic equation. So what is the generalized form of quadratic equation? So I am writing here. This is the generalized form of quadratic equation. Okay. So we have to compare each and every equation with this, so that we can easily come to know that whether the given equation or given equation is quadratic or not. So let us compare this equation with the given equation. So let us solve this. Suppose this is the quadratic equation. We have to compare this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, first we have to observe that the number of variables should be 1. Okay, so in this case we have only one variable, that is x is the variable. Okay, and if we compare this with this, we will get a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to 5 here, and c is equal to minus 2. So easily we are coming to know that this equation number 1 is easily will get compared with this. So we can write it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So this was the first question. Similarly, we have to compare this equation with this generalized format. Now, before comparing this equation with the generalized format, we have to bring this given equation in the generalized format. We try to bring this given equation in the generalized format. Means we have to simplify this equation first. So how to simplify this? Write y square. We have to bring this 5y to the left side. So this will become minus 5y. This minus 10 will become plus 10 and is equal to 0. Now we can easily see that this is in the quadratic equation format. This is in the quadratic equation format. So it is quadratic equation. And third equation, if we simplify this equation, let us solve this. If we simplify this for the simplification purpose, now we have to eliminate, or we have to cancel out this y. So how to cancel out this y? So we have to multiply this equation by the y. Total equation means left hand side and right hand side, both the sides we have to multiply with the y, so that y get cancelled. So y into y square plus 1 by y is equal to 2. So if we simplify this, y into y square will be y cube plus y into 1 by y is equal to 2 into y. So this y will get cancelled, and we got y cube, bring this 2y here, so 2y minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we observe here, we have y cube here. So we know that in the quadratic equation our degree or index or highest power should be equal to 2. So in this case, this is not quadratic. It is not quadratic equation. So question number 4 is x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. So let us multiply this equation by the x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. X into x is x square plus x into 1 by x is equal to minus 2x. So this x will get cancelled. We will have x square, bring this minus 2x to the left hand side. This will become plus 2x plus this 1 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. So right, it is quadratic equation. Question number 5. Now we have to simplify this question also. So how to simplify this? We have to multiply this bracket with this bracket. So for that we can write m. Let just multiply this m with this bracket first, after that plus this, multiply this 2 with this second bracket. So this will m into m minus 5 plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. So m into m is m square minus m into 5 is 5m plus 2 into m is 2m plus minus will become minus, 2 into 5 is going to be minus 10. So we have to write the simple form of this equation, that will be minus 5m plus 2m will be minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the, if we compare this with the quadratic equation, generalized quadratic equation, we will come to know that it is a quadratic equation. Now question number 6 in this. Now as like these questions, we have to simplify this also. So how to simplify this? Let us bring all the similar term to beside to each other. So m cube, bring this 3m cube to left hand side, this will become minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. And if we subtract this m cube minus 3m cube, this will become minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can easily see that here highest power or degree is 3. So this is not quadratic equation. So it is not quadratic equation. So this was about the question number 2.